Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can track time in Clickup. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, it should be simple in Clickup, and here you just want to, click on the tasks. And when you're gonna see task here, you're gonna see right next to the created, you're gonna see time tracked. So you just want to click on it, and you have options. The first thing you want to click on timer. So okay, this took me this long. Then you have manual here, and you want to add time 1 hour. That's really up to you. And then I will just click save here, and I will just start timing. So it's 2, 1, go. And now it will start counting. So that's really simple. And it's pretty much it. So all adding range here. This is how you can track your time in ClickUp. Thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day and